Another one. Another SBR. It's for Connecticut.
County in southeastern New York. Putnam County in southeastern New York. Rockland County in southeastern New York. Until 9:15 p.m. At 8:26 p.m.
Dude, look at those dark clouds. They're crazy. Dude, this shelf cloud is crazy. God damn.
Hazard 60 miles per hour.
It's a tornado possible. It says tornado possible. Oh gosh. It literally says tornado possible. Yo. Possible tornado. Oh my god. Let's go. Possible tornado, baby. Imagination with tornado warning. That'll be crazy. Yeah, tornado possible.
Stanford and Brewster around 8:50.
Let's go.
Denver
Yes,
and
sir.
New Canaan around 8:55 p.m. Darien and Wilton around
God
9
damn.
p.m. Norwalk and Sherman around 9:05 p.m.
Lord.
Newtown around 9:10
Dude,
p.m.
so many locations.
Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Yeah, possible tornado.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Let's go.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or
Yes,
small
sir.
central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect until 6 a.m. Thursday. Severe thunderstorm watch 469 in effect until midnight tonight.
Let's go. Possible tornado.